The construction crew is paving the way for the replacement for the new Bedford Elementary School. The official groundbreaking was held Wednesday, September 21st. The school community, county, and state officials gathered for this wonderful celebration.
2, 1, Bedford!
So we are very excited for a brand new school building. Bedford has a long tradition of excellence, both in the community and here at the school, and we're excited to have a building that matches that excellence and has all of the appropriate spaces for the great things that happen in our building.
So we're excited about Bedford Elementary School. Bedford Elementary School is a community school. As you saw today, there are a lot of community members that came out. Our students and staff and parents were present. So this has been a long time coming. It's been over 60 years that the current building has existed, and now it's time to modernize and have a new Bedford Elementary School.
The $53.6 million new replacement school will have the capacity of 735 seats, which is more than double the capacity of the current school. Everyone can't wait for its opening in 2024.
Down the track. Yesterday is history and it's never coming back.
After having 3 children go to this school and having a soon-to-be 4-year-old, which will enter the kindergarten at the new Bedford, this is just an awesome time for the Williamsburg community, for the Pikesville community, and as a parent, as a homeowner, I know the value of bringing a school to this area is just going to not just help the overall school, but the students to come and years to come and generations to come. So that's why I'm excited.